In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a 5-minute scalping strategy that you guys can use to day trade, and we're going to be taking a look at GBP JPY in today's video. But before I actually get started, if you guys want access to my signals on Discord, the link is going to be down below in the description. All you guys have to do is to just click the link down below in the description and you guys will definitely get access. So let's get to the video. So now, when it comes to scalping, the only way you can really become profitable consistently, whether you're a swing trader or a scalper or a day trader, is price action, using no indicators at all. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys that in this video, and this video is actually also going to help you to identify your highs and your lows when it comes to trading, because that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. Now, even though we're going to be getting into our trades using the 5-minute time frame, but what I'm going to do here is, and I want you guys to also use this strategy just like this. You can go to the 15-minute time frame, the 30-minute time frame, or the 1-hour time frame, even the 4-hour time frame, to look for your highs and your lows. But because we're just going to be getting in and out, because to tell you the truth, that's what scalping is. You just get in and you get out. You're trying to get 10, 15 or 20 pips, or even 30 pips. In some cases you might even get 50 pips depending on the pair that you're trading. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame here, and we're going to take a look at this buy. The market is currently open right now. So what we need to do here is we need to figure out our lows, and we have our lows right over here. So this was our previous low. What we're focusing on is identifying our previous lows and our previous highs. So we have our low right there, and we have a high right over here. So like I told you guys, these are the things that we're going to be focusing on. Just focusing on our highs and our previous lows. So we're focusing on the most recent highs and the most recent lows. Now that we've identified that, now we go to the 15-minute time frame here. Now we have our highs and our lows here on the 5-minute time frame. Now I'm going to put this in replay mode, and I'll show you guys where your entry would have been using this strategy. So we'll start from right over here, and let's take a look and see where our entry would have been for this position. Now we have the break above our previous high. Now we can have our entry. We can have our entry right over here at this bullish candle, and I recommend setting your stop loss to, we're just going to set it to 25 pips. So when you're using this strategy, make sure your stop loss is between 25 to 30 pips. Now we have our entry right there. Now for our take profit, all we have to do, we go back to the 15-minute time frame and we look for our lows and our highs. We can have two zones if we're looking to take, if we're looking for multiple take profits. So we have our low right here. As you guys can see, we have our low right over here at the looking at this at the 15-minute time frame. We have our low right there, and we have our high right over here. So now we identify our most recent highs and our most recent lows for our take profit zones. So we potentially trying to target these two zones, our previous highs and our previous lows. So we go back to the 5-minute time frame, and let's see. So we have our first take profit here. We're looking at 39 pips. which is a lot of pips if you're scalping, and we have a potential second take profit here for 66 pips, stop loss 25 pips, risk to reward ratio 2 to 5. So now let's take a look and see how this trade actually played out. So let's take a look and see. Let me move this. Right, let me move this because we're still going here. So as you guys can see, we got our first take profit smashed right here. So let's see if we got our second take profit smashed as well. Right there, we got our second take profit smashed here for 66 pips. And remember, when you're scalping, always remember to move your stop loss to entry price, and you keep trailing your stop loss from there. So once we hit our first take profit, we just move our stop loss to entry price. So let me show you how you can do that real quick. So now we have our first take profit zone right over here. Now, once your first take profit hits, you can either move your stop loss to entry price, or once you see that price broke this zone, you wait for price to create a low. Now, once price creates another low, now we will have our stop loss. Our new stop loss will be right over here at the new low that was created. So we'll have our new stop loss right over here at this. We'll have our stop loss at this new low right over here, and you would have still been in a trade. Now this trade is definitely going to be a safe trade for you, and your final take profit got smashed and you're out of the trade. So guys, this is exactly how you can use this strategy to get in a buy position. And I also just showed you guys how you can, move your stop loss and trail your stop loss. So now let's look for a sell position. So we're going to delete this. So now we'll go back to the 15-minute time frame here real quick. Now when we try to take a sell position, what we need to do is to identify our previous high. We have our previous high over here, looking at this on the 15-minute time frame. So this was our previous high right there, and we have our previous low right over here. So now once you've identified your highs and your low, the most recent highs and most recent lows, now what we do is we go back to the 5-minute time frame. And where is it? Okay, now we go back to the 5-minute time frame and we look for our entry. Now I'm gonna put this in replay mode, and let me show you guys where your entry would have been for this sell position. So we'll start from right over here. So let's see where our entry would have been. Now what we're waiting for now is we need price to break our most recent low. Now once we have that break and close below our previous low, which is also our support zone, now we'll have our entry right here at this bearish candle, and we'll have our stop loss for 25 pips just for the sake of this video. Stop loss for 25 pips right there. And for our take profit target, we go back to the 15-minute time frame, and we can see that we could potentially anticipate that price is going to get to this zone right over here. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to use this one take profit target, and we'll go back to the 5-minute time frame here, and let's see how many pips this is. So we're looking at 33 pips, stop loss 25 pips, risk to reward ratio 1 to 3. So let's see how this trade played out. Right there, we got our take profit smash for 33 pips, stop loss 25 pips. And if you used multiple take profit, now that you have your first take profit zone, your first take profit target got hit, now you have, let me delete this, Now you can move your stop loss to this new high that was created right here. So this new lower high that was created here, you can have your stop loss right there if you have multiple take profit. And if price reverses and takes you out of the market, that's totally fine. You still made some money regardless. So guys, this is exactly how you use this strategy, scalping on the 5-minute time frame. I hope you guys find value in this video. If you found value in this video, all I ask is that you give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. God bless you all. Peace and love.